Hello, everybody. We're back here in Chicago for the first IRS Tax Forum for 2026, and I'm here with Christine. I'd like to welcome Christine because without Christine, Tax Talk Today would not have the IRS support that it needs. She's our liaison. But I'd let Christine talk a little bit about that, what she does for the IRS, and what she thinks about this forum this year.
Thank you, Alan. My name is Christine Kingston, and I am with the Office of Outreach and Education with the IRS. I am a program manager for the IRS Tax Forum, and this is our first tax forum of 2026 in Chicago. I also work with Tax Talk Today as the program manager and liaison with the NAEA and Tax Talk Today. So I work with finding IRS speakers and subject matter experts to make sure that we can bring different IRS subject matter experts to bring you the new breaking news from the IRS and the different changes that come to tax professionals.
Now, Christine, and we'll talk to each other. If somebody was on the fence about going to the IRS tax forums, what would you tell them to want to make them do that?
I would tell them that this is a great way where you can meet new exhibitors and see the changes that are coming every year. So we have different seminars. We have changes this year about the Working Families Tax Cuts Credits and the Tax Cuts Act.
Great. But anything else you'd like to share with the viewers? Again, we're trying to get people. We'd like to see more people here. This is a sellout. Yeah, I believe that San Diego's already sold out, but there's still openings in New York.
New York is sold out.
Wow. How
Yes.
about New Orleans?
Yes, you can still make it to New Orleans.
And of course, Orlando, we've got a huge property.
Yes,
So be at one of those two if you have not already signed up.
yes, definitely. And also, case resolution is back this year.
Fantastic to know. And that was something that was missing last year. And I know that a lot of people were looking.
And also, the digital account services room, that is a big hit with the tax forum.
Great. Thank you very much, Christine. I appreciate your time today.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.
I'm here at the NAEA booth with Katie. Now, Katie, you are new to NAEA. So before I go anywhere else, I need to ask you, what are you doing with NAEA and how long have you been there?
I've been with the NEA for a little less than 3 months.
You are new.
I'm the Director of Education and Events,
Mhm.
and I coordinate all of our online learning, our in-person learning, our certificate programs, and any other event that we have, including our lobbying events.
Great. Now, we are here at the Nationwide Tax Forums. This is your first event.
Very first.
Okay. What do you think of it so far?
I think it's amazing. I think the exhibit hall is full of amazing exhibitors. I've gotten to know many of them. The people that have come around are so wonderful to talk to. It's really a great place to be.
Okay. And now, I'm assuming you've talked to a bunch of attendees as well.
Absolutely.
All right. What kind of feedback are you getting from the attendees? Are they having fun here? Are they looking for anything?
They're having fun. They're learning a lot. I keep hearing them talk about how amazing the education is, how much they're learning, especially some specific speakers that they've mentioned that they love.
Well, thank you.
So it's really seems to be a great place.
I'm Carlos Lopez. I'm the founder and the CEO of Latino Tax Professionals. I'm an enrolled agent. I live in Salinas, California, and we're here with Latino Tax Professional Association as an educational organization that provides high quality tax education, both in English and in Spanish.
Fabulous. Now, as a vendor at the IRS forums, are you finding a lot of positive feedback? What are you hearing out there?
Yes, a lot of people visit the IRS tax forums because it's the IRS. And so we're here to get take part in community, take part in the networking, and also to support the IRS.
Fantastic. Now, I want to also mention that Latino Tax Pros, you'll see us on Tax Talk Today. And if you didn't know that already, you do something very special for us, Carlos. What is that?
Yeah, thanks, Alan. Yeah, we really enjoy being part of Tax Talk Today, but we're the ones that translate it for you into Spanish.
So if you're looking for Spanish transcripts of our shows, you can always get them on our research page after the show goes live.
You certainly can, and we really appreciate the partnership with you and all the years that we've known each other.
Well, as always, Carlos, thank you very much.
Thanks, Alan.
You have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Nina Tross. I'm with the National Society of Tax Professionals, based out of Tampa area in Florida. And we come to the forums for a multitude of reasons. We have our booth set up. We look for members, but we're big into education. So we do provide seminars. This year, we're doing Schedule C. We're doing the Trump accounts. I'm also on a couple of panels having to do with artificial intelligence, which is definitely an up and coming topic. And then I'm also working with another group doing with the IRS doing audits. So it's been a busy, fun year.
I'm here with Katrina. Katrina, tell me a little bit about yourself and why you're here at the forums.
Yeah, so I'm here with Padgett. I'm our marketing director. And we have been coming to the forums for a couple of years just for an opportunity to meet with accountants, especially tax and accounting firm owners who are kind of in an entrepreneurial mindset. And we've definitely found that some of the people that are attending the forums are in a place where they want to connect with other people, other firm owners, learn what's going on in the industry.
Okay, what exactly, maybe if you can give me the top level view, what Padgett is and who Padgett is.
Absolutely. So we're a tax and accounting franchise. I know people hear franchise and they kind of think, oh, what does that mean? But we really view ourselves as an organization focused on coaching and supporting firm owners, especially smaller firm owners that may be in a position where they want to grow. And so we offer them support, things like operations, marketing, tax, technology discounts.
Greg, you've been attending the forums for how many years now?
27.
27 years. That is a long time.
Yes.
That is a long time. And obviously you're getting something out of it. Can you tell us what it is?
Well, the education is my main reason for being here. The continuing education, credits, are important. This forum of the 27, we're halfway through today. Right now. Okay. This is the best forum I've ever been to.
Really?
Absolutely.
And what's making it so special?
What's making it special is the presenters and the way they're handling their topics. All right. Years past, we would have people just stand up and read from the slides. Well, I'm sorry, I got a copy of the slides. I can read them. I
understand that.
I passed 8th grade, okay?
Yeah.
So this one, people are not reading from the slides. They're really giving you personal information. They're giving you things that they do. I'm learning a lot more here this week than I have at past forums.
I'm John Overington, Interim Executive Director for the National Society of Accountants, and we're really here to connect with our constituents and let people know all the good work that NSA does year-round. I think one of the best reasons to be at an event like this is so often we want to go to where the people are, and people are here. People are here to learn. People are here to network, and so we want to be there for them. We want to be here for them.
NSA, for those that may not know, what a little bit of NSA and what is the overall mission?
Yeah, so NSA, we were established in 1947 to support public accountants. We've since expanded into supporting folks in the accountancy space, whether that's bookkeeping, payroll, the EAs, CPAs. I like to joke that we're the public education of the space. We take all and we try to support all. And so we not only do we help the practitioner be better a practitioner, but also be a better business owner.
Misty, thank you for joining me.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about yourself and why you're here in Chicago IRS Tax Forums.
Well, I am the Tax Content Program Manager with the National Association of Tax Professionals. So I'm here. Actually, I taught a course on Monday, our annual tax refresher course, but we're also here to be able to connect with other tax professionals. So we're a member-based association, and our specialty is tax. We help, it could be your tax pro, somebody who's an EA, CPA, AFSP. We like to work with all tax professionals. It's a hard industry to be in, so we love to be their back pocket.
My name is Ruben, and I'm an enrolled agent and a U.S. tax code practitioner. I'm representing NAEA at the national forums. We have great sessions where Sometimes people can just read a PowerPoint or read the material, go to the IRS website, but I think the true value is when you are before somebody that has years of experience and doesn't just focus on the theory, but real life examples that happen every single day. So I think one of the values is there.
I'm joined here with Laniqua,
Yes.
and this smile made me stop to talk to you.
Oh, thank you.
I would like to know if you're having fun here at the forums.
I am having fun here at the forum.
Are you learning anything?
I'm learning a lot, especially in the nonprofit world. So I'm learning beyond taxes. So I took this opportunity to grow beyond just basic tax information.
Fantastic. What kind of a practice do you have?
I have a tax software practice actually where I teach and educate individuals on how to use the software and also grow as a tax professional.
Fantastic. And you're here as a vendor, or you're here as a attendee?
I'm here as an attendee, but I'm looking for people to connect with, to talk to promote my business as well.
So now you're getting twofold. You're getting
Yes,
the
I am.
bonus of being an attendee
Yes,
as well
I am.
as.
Yes, I am, and I love it. I love learning.
Hey, Alan, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, Tom. Thank you for joining me here.
Of course.
Tom, I've known you for a long time.
Yeah.
We've been on the stage together over the years. You're not here to be on the stage at the forums, are you?
No, I'm here actually just as a vendor. It's actually my first time in an IRS forum in 15 years.
Really?
Yes.
Now, I don't remember seeing you in the past. Obviously, I didn't see you last year. You said
Right, 15 years.
But as a vendor, what's your product? What are you selling?
I'm actually selling different items that I offer to the tax pro community, specifically Tom Talks Taxes, my online newsletter with about 7,400 subscribers, my new AskTomG.ai tool for tax research, and other services, education through Compass Tax Educators, etc.
Fantastic. Now, as a new forum vendor, do you feel it is worth being a vendor at the forums?
Yeah, the audience here is a different audience than I usually encounter at the different events I speak at.
Oh.
So by coming here, I'm reaching different tax pros that I would normally not have access to.
Great. Now, if the vendor was thinking, okay, maybe not this year, but next year, can you give them one or two really good reasons why? And that's whether your sales are there or just what you mentioned,
Right.
meeting people, what would that be?
Well, one, you make connections here with other industry leaders, the IRS. That alone is worth it. But my second suggestion was, if you're not sure, just register for one forum. Try it out, see if you like it, the one you think will get the most traction for your business, and go from there. If it's successful, you can expand the next year.
I'm here with Jeff. And Jeff, tell me a little bit about yourself, the type of practice you have, and what you're doing here at the forums.
I'm here for the first time at the forums. I saw it online. I'm happy to come. I'm brand new in the tax business. I'm a financial secretary for my union since 2008. I want to help my fellow union members and friends and the family, and I started filing taxes. And this is my 2025 is my first year, and 2026 is coming up. So I wanted to educate myself, and I found the forum, and here I am.
Now, I met you on day zero, which was the day before the whole thing starts, with Monday as we're checking in. And there was a couple different events going on. And I believe when we were talking, you had mentioned you wanted to go to one of the events. And can you tell us what that is?
Yes, the EA. I was very interested in becoming an EA, so I'm taking an online class, and I wanted to get more information from, I guess, my peers, and that's what I'm looking for. And so that's why I attended that.
And did you get any value out of that?
Absolutely. It was very valuable to me. I'm taking a lot of information away. I'm so excited that I came out, and I have a lot of resources now that I can use as tools in my toolbox to achieving my EA and also running my tax firm.
Sonny, thank you for stopping by and talking to me.
Yes, thanks for having me.
I appreciate that. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself, the type of practice that you have?
Okay, so I've been doing taxes for 2 years. I have my own company, Sunnyside Solutions, where I'm hiring for pizza holders and EROs. Yeah.
Oh, cool. Now we're here at the forums, obviously, and is this your first forum? Or have you been before?
Yes, this is my first forum.
Really? What do you
Yes,
think?
and it's super exciting since yesterday, since I came in networking and been in the different seminars, learning so much different information. I love it. I would definitely be to the one in New York as well.
You will?
Yes.
Fantastic. What, you couldn't get enough that you're going to vote?
Yes.
About the forum here, you just don't know what this place does for you in terms of gathering knowledge. You can sit there by that program and just plug numbers in. But there are things here that, especially with speakers like for yourself,
Thank you.
Larry Gray, and others like that, you pick up those things that you would never pick up just working through the program. So the best thing, if you want to grow your practice, you need to come to a forum like this so you can end up having knowledge to tackle almost anything that guy that's going to walk in your door that you don't know.
Alton, I appreciate all that feedback. Thank you very much.